Welcome to Magic Cake! Yeah! We have an awesome iPhone cake today! How awesome does this look? It looks like an iPhone, but you can eat it! So exciting! Alright, let's start up with our cake and our frosting. Creamy frosting. While you're watching, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments what your favorite app is on your iPhone. All right, now we're gonna start up with some modeling. You know the drill. Wow. Do you know what this one is? How cool. And lots of colors. Do you love playing games on your phone? Maybe watching some stuff? Like Magic Cake? Oh, it's gonna look so cool. This is gonna have a lot of little apps on it today. So lots of little tiny details. And lots of paint. Ready for a trivia question? In The Lion King, what kind of animal bows first to Simba? You know, when he's a tiny baby and he gets held up in front of the whole animal kingdom? Do you know what type of animal bows first? If you think you know, leave us a comment. See if you're right at the very end. Keep listening. We'll tell you at the very end. Ooh, painting. We're painting music notes for a music app. Do you love listening to music on your phone too? I know I do. Oh, wow, these are looking so good. Lots of tiny pieces. Remember, you can always do this with Play-Doh for fun. You can always try this at home. But if you use sharp tools, make sure you don't cut your fingers. And if you're using Play-Doh, you don't eat it. Cakes are yummy. Play-Doh, not so much. Wow, these apps are looking awesome. Do you recognize any of them? I see a tiny Instagram, and a weather app, and a message app. Wow, so good! Isn't this exciting? So exciting! Do you love playing on your phone? And maybe calling people or playing games? Remember, if you love watching these awesome cake videos, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments what your favorite app is. Wow! These are looking so cool. How awesome is this? More tiny details. Be super careful. Super careful. We're getting ready to assemble our phone. Get your pizza cutter. All right, now we're gonna start putting it all on the cake. We're gonna make it look like an awesome iPhone! So exciting! Wow! Oh, wow, it looks so cool! Cut off your extra! All right, now for the top. It's looking so good! Oh, that looks so cool. Just wait till they put the apps on. Make sure you smooth it in nice. Oh, you can't forget your bottom button. Ta-da! And your top power buttons. That looks so cool. Ooh, and now our shiny metallic paint. Isn't that so cool? It makes it look super shiny. Super duper shiny. So cool. Remember the trivia question we asked? What animal bows first at the Lion King? It's a zebra! Did you guess zebra? If you did, you're awesome! Alright, make sure you get that metallic paint everywhere! Looks so good! Now our top buttons. You know, like the camera. Now we're gonna start putting on our apps so it looks like a phone. Wow! It looks like a real phone! How cool! So cool! It's all done! Remember, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up, leave us a comment. And we're all finished. Doesn't it look super cool? Ta-da! Wow! Oh, I bet that's so delicious! Num 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 nums! Ooh, I can't wait to try it! All right, we're all finished.